Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cara if you're new here, and today's video is going to be Charles & Keith unboxing slash haul. For reference, I ordered these bags on December 7th. They were shipped on December 12th, and today is December 30th, and they were just delivered. So I live in the US, if that is helpful information. That's how long they took to get to me. Let's get into it. So this is the box that they came in. This lighting is probably really bad. It's been raining every single day since Christmas, and the rain just turned to snow. Here we go. This is what it looks like on the inside. I don't even know where to start. Well, I guess I'll just do this because it's on top. Okay, I have to collect myself. I've been waiting for these for so long. I've had my eye on this bag for over a year. This is the Cesia metallic accent shoulder bag. Okay, so it just comes wrapped in plastic. Oh my gosh, it feels like real leather. I was a little worried about that, you know? So here we go. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, I've been waiting for this for so long, and I've just had my eyes on it for so long. So I have been really liking, obviously everyone knows, this bag from YSL. Everyone knows and loves. I have had my eyes on it for so long, but obviously it's so trendy and I can't really justify the $2,400 on such a trendy bag, even though I do think like that style is like cyclical, obviously. Okay, here we go. Here's the strap. I like that it's adjustable. Okay, I like the gold hardware too. It's not too yellow. The buckle actually says Charles & Keith on it. The details, it's all in the details. I also like that it has the full zip. Take that off. I'm gonna unzip it. It's stuffed with paper, okay? And then it comes with a dust bag, which we love. Okay, it doesn't seem to be lined. That's okay. And then there is a little slip pocket right here. Oh, what are you? A care card. Okay, a little slip pocket here. Otherwise, it's just open, and it has the zipper across the top, like so. And then the back says Charles & Keith here, and this is like metal, like it's not stamped or anything. So honestly, it looks super nice. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to do this thing and what length do I want it at. I'm thinking maybe this one. Yeah, I think I like that. Okay, so I've also seen some people compare this to the Gucci Jackie just because it has this detail here. So this is a full like magnetic clasp, and it goes like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, honestly you guys, it is really nice in person, and I got it when it was on sale. Both bags were on sale. I think they were doing 15% off site-wide or something. So I paid $64.60 for this bag. I don't remember how much it is full price. Also, I should mention I did get free shipping. I don't know if it was like $75 or $100. One of those, if you like reach that threshold, you got free shipping. So, okay, I'm gonna try it on. Oh my gosh. You guys, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, I need to go somewhere. It like really is nice, you guys. I haven't been this excited over a bag in a while. I love. Okay, moving on. I like can't move on. It's so perfect. Okay, it doesn't end there though. We have one more. This one is called and I can link both of these as well. I feel like that would be helpful. I'm gonna open it and then you can see. So obviously this is black, but this color, oh my gosh. I don't have any white bags. So this bag, like I said, I've had my eyes on it for over a year, so justifying the purchase like wasn't that hard for me. But this other bag was a little bit spontaneous. I did think about it for a few days. I didn't just like, I try to think about my purchases and not buy anything in the moment, you know? Like, take some time, think about it, especially with online shopping. Like, take your time, think about it. I don't have any white bag, and this one was just speaking to me. I was like, this in the winter time, like also going into the spring, I feel like it would be really cute. Okay, so here we go. So this is the Cressida Tweed chain strap bag, and the color is chalk. I love it. Okay, how do I... Bold hardware again. The chain definitely has like a good weight to it, I feel like. Like these bags do not feel cheap at all. In this bag, I paid $73.10. Honestly, I like the look of the tweed in this bag more than like the regular leathers. I felt like the regular leather ones, like obviously it's giving Chanel flap, right? And I felt like the leather ones that are like faux leather, I don't know, I felt like it wasn't giving what I wanted it to give as much as this one. If you know what I mean. Like I feel like the tweed, I don't want to say that the faux leather looked cheap because they look like nice bags, like they really do. It was just really giving Chanel flap dupe. I don't know if what I'm saying is making any sense at all. I just really like the look of this tweed and I don't have any tweed bags, so okay, we have this little zipper, and Chanel flaps do have this pocket as well. I don't really know what I would keep up there. Maybe like parking validation ticket or something, I don't know. This more, we have another dust bag in here, always nice to have. More stuffing. Oh, more stuffing. So on the inside of this one, there are 2 slip pockets on this side and then 1 larger slip pocket on this side. In the middle is open, no dividers, which I will say in my YSL Toy Lulu, there is a divider that goes right down the middle and sometimes it's annoying. So, I mean, I think it helps it keep its shape, but sometimes it's annoying that there's like a divider right down the middle. So like I said, this is the colored chalk. I'll give you a close-up. And then this is the back. It has this slip pocket on the back, also kind of Chanel-esque. The hardware here says Charles and Keith. So I really like it. Okay, so I guess we're gonna try her on. Maybe I should say I'm 5'4" for reference, in case you're looking to get one of these bags and you're wondering. This one is nice. It's like obviously adjustable and whatnot, which I feel like that's nice because like in the winter, when you're wearing a coat, you might want the shoulder strap longer and then in the summer maybe shorter. I don't know. Here's the Cressida. Here is the Cressida on. So this is the chain, like double strap obviously. And then, okay, spoiler alert, I'm wearing sweatpants. Then the chain does this whole thing. So you can wear crossbody. This is where it hits on, let me move this chair. So this is where it hits on me for crossbody, like right at hip length. Well, I feel like that's pretty good, right? What do you guys think? Obviously having the crossbody option is nice. I don't think anyone can really like debate that, but I think this shoulder strap situation is very comfortable. It feels very secure and yeah, I don't know, I really like it, you guys. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Okay, I have found one flaw. I have found one flaw so far. There is a loose thread right here. That's the only flaw I can find though in both bags. Guys, I love it. So it's not like a bright white, right? It's a little bit of an off-white. It's called chalk. So this is the Cressida tweed. They also make a wallet on chain version of this and I did debate that. But one of the reasons I wanted this is I wanted a larger bag that I could like fit my gloves in, fit my camera in, put my Kindle in, you know. I didn't get the wallet on chain and I was worried that this bag would be like too big, but I don't think it is. Catch me walking around town in this bag. I'm so excited. Do I need a recap? I don't know. These are my Christmas presents to myself. You guys, this is so exciting. Both of them are so perfect in their own ways. Here's the Cesia. I believe it's called the Cesia again. And then the Cressida. But they're so different, you know? It's not like they're the same. Okay, I should wrap it up. I've been talking for way too long. The weight was worth it, you guys. I will let you know how they hold up. And I think my camera will also fit in this bag, which is so exciting. I'm so excited. I wish I had this bag. I wish I would have gotten it last year, you know? Oh my gosh. A zipper pull also says Charles and Keith on it. You guys, the details are so good. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, definitely leave me a comment. I will get back to you. I would love to answer any questions you may have. Also, if you have any requests or anything, definitely leave me a comment as well. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.